Bachelor 2?
Well, the last time I went out with a woman, we went somewhere to eat, but there was this guy in the restaurant named Jimmy, and I couldn't understand how Jimmy chewed. Jimmy chewed.
Okay. So, maybe we'll do online shopping, Matthew. Bachelor number 2. I like to go out to plays and the symphony and nice dinners. What do you like to do on a weekend?
Well, I had these two friends, Bruno and Molly. Bruno and Molly, we hang out together in pairs. Just the three in pairs, Bruno and Molly.
So would they have to go with us? Okay. Number 2. Animals? Why?
Yes, I do. I sure do.